Hello and welcome to this video. This is Natasha and today I want to share with you a few tips about how to make the right decisions. You see, as a child, we follow the will of our parents because we are not capable to make the right choices for ourselves. But when we grow up, we have our own free will in order to decide what is good for us and what is not good for us, what we do and what we don't do. We make countless decisions every day, consciously or unconsciously. Look at, for example, what kind of clothes do you put on in the morning? What do you take for breakfast? How and with whom do you spend your time? Which activities do you take throughout your day? What kind of profession or job do you choose to do? When do you take rest? When do you go to bed? So we create our life every day by taking these kind of decisions, even they may be sometimes very small. These decisions influence the direction of our life and also the quality of our life, because the quality of our life is directly connected with the quality of our decisions. Some decisions, for example, such as what kind of lifestyle do we choose, or how well do we take care about our health, or what kinds of profession or what partner we choose. These kind of decisions influence the quality of our life and also our destination. Therefore, it is important that we make conscious decisions. Some people make decisions based on emotions. Other people make decisions based on logic. For me, it is important that I have my heart and my head in harmony when I make important decisions for myself. I have realized that in order to make good decisions, we need the quality of purity, because purity helps us to differentiate what is good for us and what is not good for us. And we can develop this quality by looking at our pure motivations, which stimulate our behavior. The most common motivations of human behavior are love or fear. Some people react mostly out of love and others mostly out of fear. In the first case, when we react out of love, this increases our energy and also our self-respect and our self-esteem. But when we react out of fear, that is destroying our energy and also our self-esteem and our self-respect. Therefore, it is very important that you become aware of your pure motivations which drive your behavior. Further, your decisions influence not only your life, but also the life of your partner or children or other family members or friends or colleagues or teams or organization, depending on what kind of role you have in the society. Therefore, when you make important decisions, it is important to put yourself the question: is this good for me? Is this good for my family? Is this good for my environment? Is this good for the world? Is this wise and is it just? Because wisdom and justice are very important qualities when we make decisions. And first comes wisdom and then justice. In this way, things will always turn out well for you, because I believe that when we make decisions based on pure motivations, that we get protection from the universe and that we will get also the right signals on time if we need to change things. This is my experience. Would you like to know more? Then I would be happy to talk to you, and in a free initial consultation we can discuss how we can work together. I have developed an entire program which I use together with my coaching to help clients to make the best of their energy, to create the most beautiful life and enjoy happy relationships, first with themselves and from there with others. I will be happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you for watching this video. All the best and take care. Bye bye.